Hi everyone, this is Ken coming to you live from Alaba. Today we're going to be working on the popular brand LG. Wait a minute, let me show you the brand we're about to work on.
Welcome back to Ken LED TV screen replacement and repair. Today we are going to be working on LG 55 inches smart LED TV. I recommend to you that whenever your TV screen you notice it's not displaying but it's playing somehow, especially when it has issue like this one, the screen is dead as you can see. So but it doesn't mean you should dump the whole entire TV. What it simply requires is for you to change what is called the inner liquid crystal display, or what you know as screen, instead of dumping the entire thing. So we are going to be working on that, and while we're on it, we'll show you a step by step through this masterclass on how to go about it. But with us it's very easy, so dive in as we take you on this masterclass on how or tear this. Let's dive in. So now the second part is for we to take out the dead screen. Now after taking out the dead screen, it's not something you should rush, though I could have just shown you the various parts or steps that was involved in unscrewing the TV and getting out the dead panel. But nevertheless, this is the dead panel, and we have successfully disconnected the ribbon flex cable from the dead panel, because any mistake could cost us the ribbon cable, and it will lead to a stress of trying to get another one to replace it, and that could take a whole day. That's how difficult these things can be. Nevertheless, here is us placing the new inner crystal display, which you also could call the screen, and then yeah, that is it. Now we'll place it carefully and gently. You don't need to rush. You don't rush it, because once you make any mistake, it could crack, and once it's cracked, guys, believe me, it's useless. You can't use it anymore. So that way, gently we'll place it. As you can see, I'm doing that very carefully with every carefulness. I'm just making sure I do not crack. You don't want to crack the screen. You do not want to crack the screen. There's no rushing about this. You take your time as much as you can and get it done. So now we carefully place it in, and that is it for now. So guys, here is the moment of truth, the moment we all have been waiting for. Let's power the TV. Sorry again, I couldn't show you guys all that is involved, like the plugging of the ribbon flex cable and the screen of the TV and every other thing. But to make the whole thing easy, if you want to learn more about how to do these things, you can follow us and subscribe to the channel, or follow us on our WhatsApp at the link below. And if you're a Nigerian who is looking for how to, or a trusted hand, a capable hand and expert to fix the cracked screen or your screen that is freezing, well, you can follow us also and subscribe to the channel, or follow us with the link below. We got you covered. We can do everything you need. Your screen is safe with us. Like your TV, we are going to in fact restore you back to your entertainment move 24 hours every time, any day. We are your sure plug. You can follow the channel, subscribe, and let us know if there's anything you want to know.